ये स्क्रीन शेयर जब करेंगे अभी सारा शो हो गया। हो गया देखा स्टार्ट कर दीजिए।
Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of you. A very good morning to all of you and welcome to SM Public Academy Campus 5. Yes. So today our chapter is fraction. As we know that we have started yesterday our revision. So today our chapter is fraction and topic is like fraction and ordering fraction. Like fraction and ordering fraction. Today we will learn about like fraction and ordering fraction. So let's see what is like fraction. Fraction with the same denominator are called like fractions. Fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. For example, if we have 2 or 3 fractions, if and their denominators are same, so these fractions are called like fractions. These fractions are called like fractions. Now, how we compare these fractions? In like fractions, the greater the numerator, the greater the value of the fraction. The greater the numerator, the greater the value of the fraction. Here, in like fraction, when we see that the numerator is greater, it means that the like this fraction is greater. If the numerator is greater, it means the fraction is greater in value. Okay, beta, got it? Here is the example of like fraction. You can see here 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 4 upon 3 and 7 upon 3. All these 4 fractions have the same denominator. All these 4 fractions have the same denominator. And this is the example of a like fraction. These are all like fractions. Why these are like fractions? Because they have the same denominator. They have the same denominator. Okay, beta? The greater the numerator, the greater the value of the fraction. For example, in this example, 7, the value of numerator is 7 here. So this it means that 7 upon 3 is the greater in value. Okay. Now come to example number 2. 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 7 upon 5 and 9 upon 5. All these fractions have the same denominator. You can see here, all these fractions have the same denominator. And so these are all like fractions. These are all like fraction because of the same denominator. And the greater the value of the numerator, it means this is the greater in fraction. Okay, the greater the numerator, the greater the value of the fraction. Here in this example, 9 upon 5 is the greater in value. Why? Because 9 is the bigger number. 9 is the bigger number and it is in numerator place. So that's why 9 upon 5 is the bigger number. Now let's see how we will arrange these like fraction. There are two ways of ordering the fraction: ascending order and descending order. There are two ways of ordering the fraction: ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means smallest to largest. We will see the fraction from smallest to largest. We will arrange the number fraction. First of all, we will arrange the smaller number, then the bigger number, and then the largest number. Ascending means smallest to largest. In the same way, you can see here descending order. Descending order means largest to smallest. Here we arrange the numbers, arrange the fraction from largest to smallest. First of all, we arrange the largest number, then larger, then smaller, and then smallest. Okay, beta, got it? Yes, Ume Parva, what do you want to say? You can write it in the chat box if you want to ask anything. So, what ascending order means? Ascending order means smallest to largest. And descending order means largest to smallest. Okay, beta, got it? Now, let's see how we arrange the fraction in ascending order. Here, this is the example of like fraction. You can see here, all these fractions have the same denominator. All these fractions have the same denominator, and that's why these fractions are called like fraction. These fractions are called like fraction because of the same denominator. Okay, beta? So here 12 upon 24, 21 upon 24, 18 upon 24, and 10 upon 24. As we all know that ascending order means smallest to largest. So which fraction is smallest among all in these fractions? Which fraction is smallest? Tell me in the chat box that which fraction is the smallest. We will see the numerator. The smaller the numerator, the smaller the value of fraction. The smaller the numerator, the smaller the value of fraction. Yes, 10. So this is the first fraction which we will arrange in ascending order. After 10, which is the smaller number? Now who will tell me which is the bigger number after 10? Which is the bigger number after 10? 12. Very nice. After 12? After 12, which number is bigger? Yes, beta. After 12, which number is bigger? 18. Very nice. And after 18, which number is the biggest? 21. Very nice. Very good, students. So, what I told you that in ascending order, we arrange the fraction from smallest to largest. And for ordering, we see the numerator. Okay, we see the numerator. The smaller the numerator, the smaller the value of fraction. The bigger the number, the greater the value of fraction. So, the answer is 10 upon 24, 12 upon 24, 18 upon 24, and 21 upon 24. So what we see just the, look at the numerator, okay? Just we see the numerator because all the fraction have the same denominator. In like fraction, we for arranging, for ordering the fraction, we see just the numerator, okay? The smaller the numerator, the smaller the value of fraction. The greater the value, the greater the numerator, the greater the value of fraction. Now, we will arrange the fraction in descending order. We will arrange the fraction in descending order. Descending order means largest to smallest. Largest to smallest. So, here is the example of like fraction 3 upon 9, 7 upon 9, 4 upon 9, 1 upon 9, and 2 upon 9. There are 5 fractions here and all fractions are like fractions. Why these are like fractions? Because all these fractions have the same denominator. All these fractions have the same denominator. Now, for arranging in descending order, we will see the largest number. So, among these fractions, which one is the largest fraction? Tell me in the chat box, beta, which one is the largest fraction? Yes, 7. 7 is the largest number. So, we will write here 7 upon 9. 7 upon 9 is the biggest number, biggest fraction. So, first of all, we will write here 7 upon 9. After 7, which one is the smaller number? After 7, which one is the smaller number? 4. Yes, very nice, Zoha. After 7, 4 is the smaller number. Yes, Umme Farwa, you are right. Very good. After 4, which fraction is the smaller? Look at the numerator value and tell me after 4, which fraction is the smaller? 3. Very nice, Ibad. Very good, Zohan. Very good, Umme Farwa. Yes, after 4, 3 is the smaller number. Very good, Alia. After 3, now only 2 fractions are remaining, 1 upon 9 and 2 upon 9. So now tell me after 3, which one is the smaller? Yes, 2. Excellent. Yes, 2 is the smaller number. Now only 1 fraction is remaining, 1 upon 9. So it is obvious that 1 upon 9 is the smallest fraction among all these like fractions. So here is the answer. Now everybody take out your copy work. We are going to start our copy work. Everybody take out your copy work. Yes, Mohammed Usman. Better take out your copy. Today we will do our revision worksheet number 3. Today we will do our revision worksheet number 3. Take off your copies. And first of all, open your index page and write index first. In your index page, you will write the date, and in an index column, you will write worksheet number 3. Worksheet number 3, writing neat and clean writing. Okay, beta? Everybody writing neat and clean writing. We have done yesterday, we have done 2 worksheets of revision. Now today we will do revision worksheet number 3. Adham beta, are you doing your work? Ashish, show me your work beta. Ibad, are you doing your work? Show me your work beta. Yes, very nice. Very good. So have you written your index so I could start the new work? See, this is your revision worksheet number 3. This is your revision worksheet number 3. Write date, CW, and date. Write date, CW, and date. After writing the date and day, leave one line and write down the heading of revision worksheet number 3. After leaving one line, write down the heading of revision worksheet number 3. Then leave one line and write question number 1. Fill in the blanks by writing greater than or less than. By writing greater than or less than. I want neat and clean writing. Okay, so write in a neat and clean writing. Fill in the blanks by writing greater than or less than. So in bit number A, 1 upon 6 dash 4 upon 6. 1 upon 6 dash 4 upon 6. Here you will tell me that which number is greater. And the number which is greater, we will write the symbol on that side. Okay. If the 4 is greater, we will write the symbol towards 4. And if the 1 is greater, we will write the symbol towards 1. But here you will tell me that which fraction is greater, 1 upon 6 or 4 upon 6. Which numerator is bigger? Yes, better tell me in the chat box that which numerator is bigger. 4. Excellent. So 1 upon 6. So here we will write the symbol towards 4. We will write the symbol of greater than towards less than towards 4. The alligator opens its mouth towards 4 and we write the symbol towards 4. So 1 upon 6 is less than 4 upon 6. It means 1 upon 6 is less than 4 upon 6. Now come to bit number B. 9 upon 10 dash 8 upon 10. So now who will tell me that which numerator is bigger and towards which number we will write the symbol? Yes, who will tell me that which numerator is bigger? 9. Yes, we all know that in like fraction, we look at the numerator. The greater the numerator, the greater the value of the fraction. The greater the numerator, the greater the value of fraction. So 9 is bigger at the numerator place. So 9 upon 10 is greater than 8 upon 10. 9 upon 10 is greater than 8 upon 10. I want neat and clean writing, and the work which I have done in the same way, you will also do it the work. Okay, leave one line after each bit. Okay. Underline the heading of revision worksheet. Leave one line and then write down the question. And after writing down the question, leave one line and then write bit number 8 and bit number B. Now, come to question number 2. Arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. We all know that ascending order means smallest to largest. Smallest to largest. So, there are 4 fractions, 4 upon 9, 6 upon 9, 3 upon 9 and 1 upon 9. All these fractions are like fraction because they have same denominator. Now we will see the numerator, that which numerator is smaller. The smaller the number, the smaller the numerator, the smaller the value of fraction. The smaller the numerator, the smaller the value of fraction. So among these 4 fractions, which fraction is smaller? Yes, 1 upon 9. 1 upon 9. After 1 upon 9, 3. Very good. Very nice, Peter. After 3, 4. Very good. 1 upon 9, 3 upon 9, 4 upon 9, and 6 upon 9. Very good, Nabiha. Very nice. Very good, Umme Farwan. So here, 1 upon 9, then 3 upon 9, then 4 upon 9. And after 4 upon 9, we will write the largest fraction, which is 6 upon 9. 6 upon 9. You can see here, we have arranged these like fraction from smallest to largest. From smallest to largest. How we arrange these number? By looking at the numerator. By looking at the numerator, because denominators are same in all these fractions. So we will look here numerator. The smaller the numerator, the smaller the value of the fraction. Okay. So among all these fractions, 1 upon 9 is the smaller fraction. Then we come to the 3 upon 9, it is the bigger fraction. Then 1 upon 9. Then we come to 4 upon 9, which is the bigger than 3 upon 9. And 6 upon 9 is the biggest fraction among these fractions. So that's why we have written in the last. Yes, I want neat and clean writing, Vita. So write it in the neat and clean writing and leave one box and one line after each statement, after each answer fraction. We can see I have written 1 upon 9 and then leave out one box and then write the another fraction. Okay, so you also leave one box after each fraction. Very good, Ania, very nice. Show me your work. Those who have done their work, show me your work, beta. Show me your work on the screen. Yes. Mohammed Usman, show me, beta. Very good. Excellent. Very nice. Very good, Ibad. Your work is not clear. Show me your work, Ibad. Beta, show me your work. Yes. Very good. Very nice. Soha, show me your work, beta. Very good. Parva, very nice. Show me your work, beta. Yes, very good. Everybody is doing very nicely. Very nice. So now I'm going to share another page. So the question number 3 is arrange in descending order. Arrange in descending order. So descending order means from largest to smallest. From largest to smallest. Yes, largest to smallest. Very nice, Mefarwa. So there are four fractions here. 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7. Thank you, Hania. 2 upon 7 and 4 upon 7. So there are four fractions here and all these fractions are like fractions. Why these are like fractions? Because they all have same denominator. They are all having same denominator. So it is an example of like fraction. Now, if these fractions are like fractions, so what we will see, for arranging in descending order, we will see the numerator. Okay, we will see the numerator. The larger the numerator, the larger the value of fraction. The larger the numerator, the larger the value of fraction. So, among these fractions, tell me which one is the largest fraction. 6. Very nice. Ivan. Beta, complete this work. I will show you in the recorded lecture. Okay, beta? So, six upon 7 is the wait, beta. Yes, 6 upon 7. So, what we will write it here? 6 upon 7. You will do it by yourself. 6 upon 7. Yes, after 6 upon 7, which one is the larger number? Okay, 6 upon 7 we have written. Now, which one is the larger number? 5 upon 7, 2 upon 7 and 4 upon 7. Yes, so we will write here 5 upon 7. We will write here 5 upon 7. You will do this question by yourself. I'm not writing the answer here. So you will do it by yourself. I'm just telling you which one is the largest. 6 upon 7. Then 5 upon 7. After 5 upon 7, which one is the smallest? 4. 4 upon 7. Very nice, Ibad beta. Very good. And after 4 upon 7, which one is the smallest fraction? Look at the numerator and tell me which is the smallest fraction. Yes, 2 upon 7. Very nice. Parva, Alia, Ibad. Excellent. So those who have done their work, show me your work. Show me your work, beta. Iza, Hafsa, show me your work. If you have done your work, show me your work, beta. Very nice. Hafsa, show me the another page. Yes, excellent. Very nice. Arham, show me your work. Very nice of Umme Parwa. Yes, very good. So this is our worksheet number 3. Inshallah, in the next lecture, we will study about the unlike fraction. So till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.